Hey guys, greetings, welcome friends, welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed. This is Canon Pixma Tr4550. This printer is multifunctional, it's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can print, copy, scan and fax with this printer. We are going to unbox this gear to see what is inside, helping you to make informed choice about this printer. Okay, we want to open it up and look at inside. Then I'm going to tell you some of the features about this printer. Going to turn this printer on and off. Okay, this printer is using 545 ink cartridges, black, and 456 ink cartridges, colored. Okay, you can also get the same number for extra large. Okay, saving you ink. From what we can see, the packaging is beautiful stuff. Okay, bring out the ink, the power cable are in here. Right, what we have here is the cartridges, 545 black, okay, 546 colored. Right, what we have here is also the power cable, 3-pin power cable. We also got the phone line, okay, to connect this printer to phone line for the Wi-Fi network. Okay, now I'm going to bring out this gear. Beautiful stuff. Here is the information pack in various languages. Information pack, Canon Pixma Tr4550 series. So this is the information pack in various languages. Okay. Now at the back here we also got CD-ROM. This is the CD-ROM for this printer. You stick this to your PC and download the software. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to do this if you haven't got, if your computer haven't got a place to put a CD-ROM. So this is CD-ROM, okay, and also safety and important information is here. Okay, and this pack is also in various safety information of the ink under European regulation. Okay, this printer is beautiful stuff. There we go. Nice, very compact, very nice Canon Pixma Tr4550. Now from what we can see, right at the back here is the power cable for this printer, goes right here. Okay, so the power cable, and over here is for telephone line. Okay, and the extension on top here is for USB cable. Unfortunately, There is no USB cable with this printer. Okay, I got one at home. So with the USB cable connect, you can connect this section to your PC. Okay, so USB cable goes over here, and this spot will go to your PC. Okay. So to connect this printer, we just need to open up the power cable. Okay, lose it. I just want to mention also, if you have any paper jam, you look over here, okay, and check for any paper jam or any debris right here. Okay, just to let you know that it's here. Okay, and the power cable goes right here. When you stick the packet, push it inside, right in. Okay. And the next thing to do is to plug this section to the power socket, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so this printer right now is plugged in. What I want us to do is to also open this up for us to see okay. I like the packaging for this printer. It's very compact, very nice. Here is the scanner, what it looks like. Beautiful stuff. Okay, I want to show you the scanner, what it looks like. Okay, here is the scanner. Okay, what I want us to do is, okay, for us to turn this printer on and off. Okay, now I want to show you some of the features. Okay, so you turn this printer on and off from right here. Okay, this is the on and off button. And when you turn it on, okay, when you turn it on right now, so you turn this on and off from right here. Okay, so if you push it in, the lights will go off. Okay, it's ending. Please wait. So this is gone off right now. So you turn this printer on and off from right here. If you want to turn it on, okay, so you press the on button. Okay, so TR4550 serial number. Okay, right now it's telling us ink cartridges is not installed. Okay, so basically we need to see this light here is a warning light telling us the ink is not installed. Okay, so for us to install the ink cartridges, we need to open up right here. Okay, and go from there. So if you open it up, okay, so the ink will come right in the middle for us to load the ink. Okay, this is the unboxing of this printer. Very beautiful stuff. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.